Hey ladies, have you ever considered that the words that you think to yourself, that the inner dialogue that you have consistently every day, every moment with your body and with yourself, that it affects you in so many different ways? It's literally affecting you on a cellular level. Your cells are listening to every word that you say. Words have such power, thoughts have such power. And it's affecting you in your relationships. It's affecting you with your success. It's affecting your weight. It's affecting your sense of self and your confidence. And it's affecting your health every moment. So, I have a new workshop coming up called Body Talk, Love Notes to Yourself. And I'm going to share wonderful techniques that are going to help you shift the relationship that you currently have with your body to something that's hopefully more helpful, something that is more loving, something that will begin to boost your confidence, change the way you think and talk to yourself. My goal is for you to love yourself so completely and authentically that you walk through the world and you own it. So join me on this 7-week journey to loving yourself more so that you can experience all that you want in life and know that nothing is holding you back. I really hope to see you there. We're going to have a great time.